Are you experiencing persistent login failures or unexpected shutdowns while using Cisco Packet Tracer? This is a common technical hurdle, often rooted in authentication conflicts or cached data errors. In this guide, I will demonstrate a streamlined solution to resolve these login issues and stabilize the application. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the notification bell to stay updated with more technical troubleshooting guides.